Hey guys, it's Renee. Welcome to this Hack DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove or detangle knots from chain necklaces. Before, I would just go ahead and try to do this movement, but this never undid the knot. It just changed its position or made it worse. So what you have to do is do the same thing to just loosen up the knot, but that's just not enough. Then place your necklace on a steady surface. Then use 2 toothpicks and just try to see where the knot is at, and then just open it straight away, like that. There are different kinds of necklaces. This is one of them, and then I have this one. And I'm going to make a knot in here so you can see. Let's just pretend that this is how it magically appeared. Always happens like that. Loosen up, and then work with my toothpicks, trying to find the knot itself, and then just pull it. And then I have this one. It's pretty helpful, this one. Somehow the knot turns out to be double. So I have this, and then on top I have another one. I have no idea how that happens, but double knots are even worse than that. But it's pretty much the same. I'm just going to loosen my knot, the first one. Get rid of that, then go again and do the same thing. Just go ahead and find the knot, and carefully, you don't want to damage your necklace. And just for practice, just because this happens in real life, it's like they know, right? They kind of smell the fear or the stress level. They just decide to say, hey, guess what? This is not the double knot that I want to go for. Okay, this is another option. Happens to me all the time as well. So there is one. I'm just working with this one. If the light changes throughout this whole video, it's because it's cloudy and it's sunny, and this is like the mother of all knots, or the father, like really in there. You can't even open your necklace. Has that ever happened to you? Am I alone here? It's gonna be actually easier because it's the whole thing. So you just have to loosen this thing like that. And I guess you can even use a hand if you're really on the go in a car, for instance. You can use somebody's hand. Just keep in mind that you're gonna be using toothpicks, so yeah.